How to fix Discord stream laggy for viewers problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account, then click on User Settings at the bottom left. Here, click on left side and then scroll down to Advanced. After you're in Advanced, simply you'll find Hardware acceleration. In here, simply turn off hardware acceleration. It is not available in my region. It may be available in your region. You will need to simply turn off hardware acceleration, which will be in the second. Here, after you do this, it will stop hardware acceleration and then it won't be laggy for viewers to view your stream. And this is how to fix Discord stream laggy for viewers problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.